Are you over 60 and noticing your masculine vitality isn't what it used to be? Have you observed that the morning firmness, once common, is now rare? Do you feel your energy and drive are fading? Then pay close attention, because what I'm about to reveal could change your perspective on men's health. It all starts with a simple habit you practice before bed. Here's a warning. If you don't give your body the right conditions at night, it can start losing tune with its vigor potential. And the cause isn't just age, but a series of silent mistakes. As a doctor, I state clearly, the quality of your nocturnal vascular response is one of the best indicators of your cardiovascular and neurological health. When it declines, it's a sign your body is asking for attention. But before presenting the solution, let me explain a key process. What happens to your body while you sleep? During deep sleep, especially in the REM phase, your body enters a regeneration mode. A vital process that occurs is the maintenance of the nocturnal vascular response. Yes, even without intimate activity, your masculine anatomy is naturally activated 3 to 5 times a night. Why? It's a mechanism to keep tissues healthy, stimulate local circulation and oxygenation, and preserve sensitivity and functionality. And what happens when this nocturnal process fails? The tissue can lose tone, blood flow decreases, the elasticity of the cavernous body is reduced, and this can lead to long-term performance difficulties. It's a silent decline that happens night after night until one day the bodily response simply doesn't occur anymore. So, what should you do before bed to prevent this? The key is creating the perfect environment for regeneration. First, eat dinner at least 3 hours before bed. Heavy meals shift your body's focus to digestion, which impairs circulation and the production of nitric oxide, the essential molecule for a good vascular response. Consuming alcohol or sugar at night worsens this effect even more. Second, avoid screens for 60 minutes before bed. Blue light suppresses melatonin, the hormone for deep sleep. Without deep sleep, this nocturnal vascular regeneration doesn't happen. Plus, sleep deprivation increases stress, which in turn reduces desire. Third, practice this breathing exercise for 2 minutes. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds, hold for 4, and exhale slowly through your mouth for 6. Do this 5 times. This activates your parasympathetic system, which relaxes, repairs, and improves circulation, preparing your body for regeneration. Fourth, drink a glass of warm water or a natural infusion. Vascular health depends on good hydration. Nighttime dehydration thickens the blood, hindering flow and potentially causing micro-injuries to tissues. A ginger or cinnamon tea is a great option. And finally, sleep at least 7 hours. Sleeping less than 6 hours can reduce testosterone by up to 30%, and without testosterone, there's no desire or potency. In summary, for a man over 60 who wants to maintain his vitality, the solution isn't in miracle pills. Start by optimizing your bedtime routine. If you deny your body the rest and circulation it needs night after night, you risk losing something invaluable, your intimate health. Did this information make sense to you? If so, tell me in the comments. Type 1 if you're already facing challenges with morning firmness, or 0 if you want to prevent it. Taking control starts with knowledge, and talking about it is an act of power. And now, what to do upon waking. In the next video, I'll show you 3 morning movements that boost circulation to the intimate area in less than 5 minutes. The goal is for you to wake up with more potency, confidence, and control. If you want more content like this, subscribe now, turn on notifications, and share with a friend who needs to hear this. Remember, your masculine health is a pillar of your quality of life. Let's move on to the 3 morning exercises that can reactivate your circulation in just 5 minutes. We've already understood the importance of your nighttime routine. Now let's focus on the first moments of your day, which are crucial for setting your energy, circulation, and desire levels. Why? It's simple. Masculine performance is, at its core, a matter of vascular health. If blood flow is compromised, potency will be too. So, for men over 60 who want to maintain vigor, these 3 exercises are an essential tool. They take just 5 minutes, and you can start feeling the difference quickly. Exercise 1. Pelvic core awakening. Activate your strength base. What is it? Gentle movements to wake up the supportive pelvic muscles, the foundation of your vitality. How to do it? Standing, contract your internal muscles as if stopping urine flow. Hold for 3 seconds, then release. Repeat 10 times. This exercise strengthens the muscular base responsible for potency and control, and you can do it discreetly anytime, starting in the morning. Exercise 2, energizing breathing. Nutrition for your blood vessels. What is it? A controlled breathing exercise to stimulate nitric oxide production, which relaxes your vessels and allows blood to flow freely. How to do it? For 2 minutes. Inhale through your nose, 4 seconds. Hold, 4 seconds. Exhale through your mouth, 6 seconds. Repeat the cycle 6 times upon waking. This boosts blood flow, calms the mind and body. As a bonus, it's a great tool for managing anxiety and improving performance in intimate moments. Exercise 3, knee raises, instant circulation. What is it? A simple exercise to pump blood to the pelvic region. How to do it? Standing, march in place for 1 minute, raising your knees as high as possible. This simple movement activates circulation in the lower abdomen and helps nourish the tissues of the intimate area. It's the perfect way to start the day, whether in the bedroom or kitchen. Important. Remember, these practices complement a healthy lifestyle and don't replace medical consultation. But adopting them is a powerful step to regain control of your circulation, resulting in greater firmness, fewer urinary leaks, better control, and more morning energy. The main point is this: your firmness and vigor don't vanish all at once. They wear down over time. If your daily routine lacks proper movement and oxygenation, your body enters economy mode without warning you. These 3 exercises are therefore a form of self-care, a daily message to your body. I care about you and will keep you running at your best. Are you up for the challenge of starting tomorrow? If so, write "challenge accepted" in the comments. Now, an important warning. You may be following a healthy routine, but still feel your desire and firmness fading. Why? Because you might be making one of the 3 fatal mistakes that destroy your masculine vitality. These are habits most men have without realizing how harmful they are. Believe me, if not corrected, they can make recovery much harder. Mistake number 1, the drink before bed. That wine to relax is doing the opposite. It may help you fall asleep, but it ruins your sleep quality, preventing the essential nocturnal regeneration for firmness. It also affects your testosterone, circulation, and sensitivity. It's a habit that silently diminishes your potency. What to do? Replace it with an infusion that truly relaxes. Ginger tea, cinnamon tea, or even warm water. Your body needs hydration and calm, not a nervous system depressant. Mistake number 2, sitting too long. This is the number 1 enemy of your pelvic circulation. TV, computer, car, all these compress the blood vessels in your most important region. Your daily routine may be literally blocking the blood flow that generates your potency. What to do? The rule is simple. Get up every 30 minutes. Walk around the house, stretch, keep your body moving. Remember, movement is circulation, and circulation is potency. Mistake number 3, the mistake in your head. This isn't for me anymore. This is the most dangerous because it's a mental mistake. When you believe age ends your intimate life, you're giving your body an order to stop. Your mind gives up and your body follows, even if it still has full capacity. Your vitality doesn't expire, it's cultivated. What to do? Change your mindset. Take your intimate health seriously. Stay connected to your body through touch, exercise, and communication. The decision to stay potent starts in your mind. To wrap up this series, a final reflection. Your masculine potency isn't just about intimate life. It's a direct reflection of your cardiovascular health, hormonal balance, and energy for living. Keeping it active isn't about ego, it's about dignity. After 60, every daily habit carries immense weight. Your morning and nighttime routines, your diet, and your mindset are the bricks that build or destroy your vitality. And now you know how to build. If this content helped you in any way, I'd like to ask 2 things. First, comment "I want more" if you'd like a new series on foods, supplements, or other strategies for mature men. Second, thank you for being part of this community. If you thought of a friend who needs this information, share this video with him. A simple share can make a big difference. And of course, subscribe, turn on notifications, and stay tuned, because in our next video, we'll explore habits that naturally boost testosterone after 60th. Trust me, you won't want to miss it.